Hello everyone, now we have to add animations to our website. So you can add animations to each and every text, or you can add animations to section like this section and to this image. So the best way is adding animation to sections, because if you add too much animations, that will affect the website loading speed. So let's add animations to those sections. On header, I am not going to add any animations. I will keep the default header, and for this section I just click on the container and go to advanced. In advanced we have this motion effects. On motion effects we have entrance animation. So we can add fade in left, fade in right, and we have lot more zoom in, stuff like this, and also roll in. So those are not that professional. In this case I will add fade in left like this. So here we can add the animation duration, so I will make it fast like this. Then also we can delay the animation. So here if you add 1000, this animation will happen after 1 second, but I am not going to use it. So here we have to add the animation to this image. So here let's go to motion effects. Entrance animation will be fade in right like this, then speed will be fast like this. Then publish this and let's see it in action. So now I click on preview changes and let's see. Yeah, now it will be animate like that. Then we have this section, so just click on the whole section and on advanced go to motion effects, and here add fade in up like this. Okay, now let's go to this section and do the same. Here on motion effects add it like fade in left like this, and here let's add motion effects fade in right like this. Then here we have those two sections. Actually let's add animation to this whole section. So click here and on advanced, on motion effects let's add it like fade in up like this. Then we have this section, and in this section it not looking good if we add animation to this background. So let's add only for this content. So here we can add these three animations to this preview section. Just select it and let's go to motion effect, and in here make it fade in up like this. And maybe let's add it like fade in right. No, not good. Let's make it like fade in, and here in current design we can't just add one animation to those two items. So to fix it I will have to create a new container like this and remove all the stuff of this container and just add those two text inside this container like this. And then I can select the whole container, and on motion effects then I can add it like fade in up like this. Okay, now we have this section. Select the sections and on advanced go to motion effects and add fade in left. The animation duration will be fast, and let's add to this form like this. Okay, pretty good. And we have to make it fast, and also we have to make fast in this one too. So make it fast and fast here like this, and here also I think it's fast. Let's see. Yeah, it's normal. Make it fast. What about this section? So motion effect, not normal, make it fast, and here make it fast. So always try to keep the consistency of the website. In that way you will have unique flow throughout the website like this. Okay, now let's see this in action. So here we go. I just click here and let's see. Okay, the animation work, and when I scroll it will be animate like this. See, so for the footer I am not going to add any animations. So just add entrance animation to these sections, and these animations will work on both mobile and tablet versions too.